This is the second part of the video of this laptop. First we fixed the keyboard, all the keys are working, but the client said some of the USB ports are not working. So now I've signed into the account and we've got one USB on the left and it seems to be fidgety, like sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't, depending on the position I have it. And there's also two other USB ports on the other side which are not working at all. So when I move this USB around, you can see the red light come on and it will work on a certain angle. So their advice, client's advice, is to replace the USB ports. Let's have a look if that's what we need to do, or if there's something more with this laptop. We'll do a full disassembly of this laptop now. I think due to liquid, this little guy, this cover is really hard to take off, so you'll need to apply a lot of force. Don't be like me, a little bit rough on this laptop. Have a look around, make sure you removed all screws. I forgot a couple of screws, so you can see me struggling for no reason. So the first damages I noticed are around the RAM, and I'll try and zoom in. There's some corrosion of some sort. Liquid has seeped in from the bottom as well, I think, or maybe from top down from the motherboard, I'm not sure. So this is not good news. So right there, yep, some of the components have burned or corrosion, and I don't know what they are for yet, as I don't have schematics yet. The right side two USBs, they were not working, and one of the obvious reasons why, there's a short. One of the pins actually is bent, and so touching the metal casing, which I think disabled the entire USB ports. So that USB port can be replaced, but being a cheap model, I'm not sure. We might replace the whole module, or we might do something else altogether. And this is just the top of the motherboard, and there is more damage around the charging port area. So I'll try and zoom in. So all that area there, whitish area near the battery connector, is all corrosion, and there is some more around the laptop here as well. So this is not going to be a fun laptop to work with. Although it turns on, seems to be working fine. Maybe a bit of cleaning, it may be back to normal, but it has some serious work to be done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.